So what's up mga mga ka-fitman? So ako muna magte-take over ng vlog. May pupuntahan kami ni Ervin. Punta kami sa Driftmob, dadali namin tong SILVIA. Ayan papagas muna kami. So wala ngayon si Kyle. Nasa lipa siya. So kami muna yung mag-aasikaso at ako muna yung magte-take over ng vlog. Oh yan, kuya kasama ka. Oh. Ano ba, Serbs? Kamusta?
Ayos naman, medyo kabado.
Huwag kang kabahan! Diyos ko po. Ayan. So, pagas lang kami, drive lang ako, tapos babiyahe kami. Update ko na lang kayo sa mga mangyayari. Max, pogi, putang ina, sarap! Smooth ang takbo, boss. So guys, dito na kami sa Marikina and so far hindi naman tayo binigyan ng problema ng ng SILVIA natin. Nakarating tayo dito ng safe, walang aberya. Ilang kilometers na lang yata, malapit na tayo sa Driftmob. Gago Brad, ano to pinasok mo? Paring Ervin, ayaw. Nasa iskinita tayo. Parang sala. O mali tinuro ng Waze. Ayaw. Hanep. Tangina. Mali ang tinuro ng Google Maps, panigurado. Sabi na mali ang dinaanan namin Tanginang Google Maps yan, no Waze man kung ano mang gamit ni Ervin. So, yung pinasukan namin para kaming kukuyugin Dito yata, pang-ano nga, kaliwa nga. Hanep, Brad. Tangina. Siya muna ang paunahin ko ulit. Aray ka. So, nandito na tayo sa Driftmob. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Wait lang. Iwan ko muna dito Fortuner. Hazard naman tayo. So, nakadating tayo ng ayos dito sa Marikina ng wala namang aberya. Yun yung ating SILVIA. Yun yung loob. Yun. Walang aberya, okay naman. Medyo lang, ang daming detour, ang daming saradong daan na hindi namin alam kung bakit. Pinaikot-ikot kami kung saan-saan. Pasok tayo sa loob. Kamusta?
Ayos lang.
Tangina ng Google Maps Ang daming sarado, bit daming sarado.
Merong event dito, parang maglaro pang bansa.
Nakaw. So ayan, dito tayo sa loob. Pakita ko sa inyo. I-tour ko kayo. Itutur ko kayo. Ito R34.
kain ng kain. Pero hindi naabot tubig dito.
Even you, the whole wagon has to go underwater before Tanromi. I'm on the peak. If I'm down, everything else is down. Yung kotse. Ikaw matik picture mo. Okay, every corner, every side, inspect it inside, outside, engine bay, everything I need pictures. Okay? I'm telling you this because I like the system. You need to learn, okay?
Alright, so maraming salamat Ervin, Andre for taking over the first part of this vlog, and I'm so busy. Ang dami kong ginagawa. So, going back to the car, these are the things that I want Kuya John to fix on the car. Okay, alright, pretty straightforward. Mga problema natin in the past video is the ECU. So, papalitan natin ng link ECU plus tune. Idadamay na rin ni Kuya John ang engine harness ng kotse, of course. Vacuum lines ayusin natin. Yung brake master cylinder parang gusto kong palitan, or baka kailangan lang i-bleed yung kotse. I don't know. It's probably just weak brakes or loose na yung mga pads ko. The transmission output shaft seal is leaking. I'll put it on the video right now.
Andito pa rin, nagbi-build up pa rin, no? So, papacheck natin yan.
Pati axle boot and CV joint, kailangan nating asikasuhin yan. Engine mounts, pretty self-explanatory sa mga video natin. You know, pag nire-rev natin yung makina, kumakalog na yung engine, I think it's just, you know, wise to change it. Next, front and rear. Lower ball joint, sabog na. Once again, let's put it on the video right here. Pakita ko sa inyo. In-inspect ko na yan. May video lahat yan, boys. Front trail arm bushing, sabog na din. We need to replace that. So, once again, video on the screen. Kailangan natin ipa-resurface yung cylinder head kasi sabi ni Kuya John, buksan na natin yung head para ma-inspect yung piston after leaning out. I mean, I think this is professional advice. Tapos, while we're at it, let's just, you know, resurface the head and palitan ng new head gasket. Then, sabi rin niya, while we're at it, tanggalin natin yung engine sa kotse, buksan natin yung bottom end, and let's inspect the pistons and rods kung talagang yan ba ay forged, di ba? Siyempre, sabi ni Angle Army, forged daw. And so, yeah.
Hi Kyle, this is the piston. It's a Waseco, Wiseco, whatever you guys want to call it. The connecting rod is still original Nissan. Here it is. Okay. Bearings. I haven't checked what it is yet. You can check it now. Okay, the bearings are Nissan stock. This hasn't been replaced. If you need ACL bearings, I do have ACL race bearings.
So yun, as you can see, our piston is indeed a forged piston. It's a Wiseco, I don't know how to pronounce it. Basta forged yung piston natin. The connecting rod is actually OEM. So, that is a konting slight misinformation sa side ng Angle Army for the forged piston and rods. So, they actually reimbursed us money for the deal. Kasi syempre, Isaac, the owner of the car, is very, you know, madaling kausap. Kung hindi yun yung nasa loob ng makina, di babayaran. That's it. Done. Pretty fast transaction. Na-reimburse tayo ng pera so we can actually move on to what we need to do on the car. Okay, after inspecting the piston and cylinder head, blah blah blah, papalagyan natin ng dual caliper setup yung kotse kasi wala nga dual caliper setup, pero meron tayong hydraulic e-brake. So, we need to do that. The rear caliper needs to be rebuilt. And of course, kailangan natin lagyan ng bracket yung upuan kasi from the last video, kita nyo naman, ginawa lang namin ng paraan. Okay? Seat bracket sa driver side and seat railing. Alright, so ngayon, let's discuss. so far, kung ano mga nagawa natin or mga nagawa na ni Driftmob sa kotse natin. So far, as of recording this video and this audio, ang mga nagawa na ni Kuya John sa ating S14 is napalitan na tayo ng rear adjustable camber arm, installation ng camber arm, of course, rear brake pads napalitan na resurface na yung head, na pull out na yung engine, at ibabalik na yung makina sa kotse with, of course, the new SR20 Conrod bearings. Alright, so yan ang mga nagawa pa lang so far sa kotse natin. In interior news, I will actually have my dashboard wrapped by Nico of Nift. If you guys know that guy, is pretty good. He is actually kasabay ko magsimula ng business, so I'm gonna support his business by having our dashboard wrapped in Alcantara or something more affordable. So yeah, papaayos din natin yung dashboard natin. So Yahoo! And of course, our center console na ginagawa ni Kuya Kevin on the past video is tapos na rin, na-top coat na natin. Actually, I think, yes, i-grind na lang niya yan, or I think ita-top coat na lang niya yan. I'm not so sure. So, I think he has to polish this pa down. So, as you can see, naka-forged carbon na yung ating cowling or cover for the hydraulic e-brake and the wheelwood master cylinder. So far, thank you Kuya Kevin for the job well done. This is his sideline sa atin. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Kuya, for that one. Okay, sa balita naman sa mugs natin, ito na po siya. This is the R34 Stanchea wheel face na kulay orange from the last videos na tinest fit natin sa SILVIA natin at sinukatan natin ng barrels. Nag-fitment check tayo sa kotse. Ang ginawa natin is pinolish natin siya. Hindi siya naka-chrome plate ha. This is not chrome plated. It's a full polish done by Detail Plus Precision Paint. So that's what we went for. A full polished face. So bakal siya na naka-polish with the aluminum barrels polished as well. So yan yung combination. So tinest fit ko siya dito. And of course, lahat ng barrels nandito na naman. So we went ahead and assembled the damn thing. And we're going with gold studs for the Stanchea. I need to find center caps for this wheel. I might just do a custom center cap. Doesn't matter. So ngayon, ito na siya. Kompleto na. Together with our Tropas F0 na nakakabit na ngayon. Congratulations, Mark, on your wheel. So ngayon, kakabit na lang natin to when Driftmob is done with our car. Alright, so yeah, yan lang yung update natin sa mga ginagawa sa kotse. Of course, this car is far from over. The next thing that we need to do for this car is the body. Paint of the car. Body-wise, wala namang bunggo yung kotse. Okay lahat. The body, kailangan ko lang pa-repaint yung front bumper. Pero, I was thinking of just wrapping it with Inozitex Hunter Jade. And it will be done by our good friend Archie of Second Skin Industry. Shout out sa inyo. One of our good friends that actually availed our air suspension as well. So I owe it to him na magpagawa rin sa kanya. And yeah, I don't want to make this video too long. That's going to be it. Hopefully you appreciated this small edit. Sorry I won't be able to show myself in camera right now. It's like 1 a.m. and I'm editing this video just to finish para makapag-update naman tayo sa mga subscribe sa Fitman. Although we are small pa lang here at 600 subscribers, maraming salamat. These are all my personal stuff. If you want to watch more of me, you can check out my other channel, FitmentTV, where we actually do air suspension, multi-piece wheels, and work with Angie, just drive around with nice cars and work on really nice cars as well. So yeah, that's going to be it. It's your boy Fitman, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye bye, boys.